morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. Chapter 4 Life Mathematics. Now example 4.17. If a company pays rupees 6 lakh for 15 workers 20 days, how much would it need to pay for 5 workers in 12 days? Proportion method. Workers 15 workers pay 6 lakh in days 20 days. Same 5 workers, how many amount in 12 days. So what is direct variation? If one quantity increasing means another one quantity also increasing means it is direct variation. If one quantity decreasing means another one quantity also decreasing means it is direct variation. If one quantity increasing another one quantity decreasing means it is indirect variation. For example, cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. What is the cost of 5 pen? Rupees 25. So number of pen also increasing, the amount also increasing. So this type of variation is called direct variation. So 15 workers to 5 workers. So amount will be reduced. So we have to pay less amount. So it is a direct variation. It is a direct variation. In 20 days to 12 days. So 12 days means we have to pay less amount only. So direct variations means the proportion is inverse proportion. So 12 by 20, 6 by 15 into 5. So what is the answer? 1.2 lakh. Next question number example 4.20. A mat of length 120 meter is made up of 15 women in 12 days. How long will it take for 32 women to make a mat of length 512 meter? So length 180 meter, woman 15 woman, days 12 days. This is length 512, woman 32, days x. So first one direct, second one indirect, third one direct. So direct variation means we have to take reciprocal. So 512 by 180. Indirect variation means we have to write as such. 15 by 32 into 12. Cancel it. Answer is 16 days. Next, inverse direct variation. If 81 students can do painting on a wall of length 448 meter in 56 days, then how much students can we do painting on similar type of wall of length 160 meter in 27 days? How many students? 81 students. How many days? 56 days. How many length of the wall? 448. How many students? We don't know that one. We have to find. How many days? 27 days. Length of the wall 160. All are direct variation. So direct variations means we have to take reciprocal. So 81 into 56 by 27 into 160 by 448. So cancel it. We got the answer x equal to 60 students. Next, inverse and direct variation. Inverse and inverse variation. So men har days. Men har days coming means it is an indirect variation. So 48 men can finish a work in 24 days, working 7 hours. So 28 men can finish a work in it will take 48 men takes 24 days means 28 man can take many days. It is an indirect variation because 48 is reduced to 28. So the number of days will increase. So the multiplying factor, so inverse proportion, so no change. So 24 into 48 by 28 into 7 by 20, 7 by 8 into 36. Use pencil and do the calculation. You will get answer 36. Next, unitary method. If a person x and y can complete a work some work individually A and B days, then their 1 day's work will be 1 by A and 1 by B respectively. So work coming means we have to write 1 by A, 1 by B. Combined together means we have to add 1 by A plus 1 by B. So what is the LCM? A into B, AB. So A plus B. So AB by A plus B days. So A and B together can do a piece of work in 16 days. A alone can complete a work in 48 days. How long will B take to complete the work? A plus B in 1 day. So what is A plus B work? 1 by 16. A's work 1 by 48. We have to find the work of B. So A plus B's work minus A's work. So 1 by 16 minus 1 by 48. What is LCM of 16, 48? 48. 8. So 3 minus 1 by 48, 2 by 48, 1 by 24. So what is the answer? 24 days. Thank you.